Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we have something truly special for you, the Rolls-Royce Cullinan 2023, the epitome of luxury and performance in the SUV world. In this comprehensive review, we'll dive deep into every aspect of this opulent vehicle. Let's begin with the exterior. The Cullinan exudes presence and elegance, with its iconic Pantheon grille, Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament, and sharp LED headlights. The 2023 model comes with subtle refinements, maintaining the classic Rolls-Royce look while embracing modern design elements. The signature coach doors open wide, revealing a sumptuous interior that's second to none. The Cullinan's imposing stance on the road is enhanced by its massive 22-inch wheels and unmistakable Rolls-Royce craftsmanship. People refer to top-tier luxury items as the Rolls-Royce of, for a reason. The Cullinan is a big-body SUV powered by a silky-smooth twin-turbo V12 with up to 592 horsepower. Built for absolute comfort and priced for the egregiously wealthy, the Cullinan coddles you with 2 rows of plush seating as lovely as leather couches. No other SUV has lambswool floor mats inside and a formidable hood ornament donning the outside. While its exterior is a little too London taxi for us, its cabin can be tailored to suit the wildest of tastes and the deepest of pockets. The daddy warbucks of SUV excellence has few competitors, but if a billionaire were forced to cross-shop, a Bentley Bentayga or Mercedes-AMG G63 might be a good place to start. Even then, they're no coach door-swinging Cullinan. The Cullinan packs a mighty 6.75-liter V12 engine, producing a whopping 563 horsepower and 627 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse can propel the Cullinan from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. The ride is incredibly smooth thanks to the air suspension system, and the all-wheel drive ensures impeccable handling even in adverse conditions. The spacious cabin is lined in box grain leather, lambswool carpeting, beautiful wood trim, and milled aluminum accents. If you want an even higher level of luxury, Rolls-Royce will customize almost every part of the Cullinan's already lavish interior with whatever delights you can imagine. The only warts in this otherwise decadent space are the fully digital gauge cluster that lacks the elegance of an analog setup and the standard rear seating that's as inflexible as a park bench. At least buyers can rectify the latter issue by optioning the 2-seat second row with adjustability and massage functions. The exterior is classic Rolls-Royce, but the vehicle's liftgate configuration allowed the brand to fit the cargo area with an optional viewing suite consisting of a pair of leather-wrapped seats and a small table that pop out of the floor. This is by far the most luxurious way to take in a polo match at the country estate. Even though this SUV is a clear break from tradition for the storied British brand, it's still an uncompromised Rolls-Royce in every way. Rolls-Royce offers an array of customization options, from the finest leathers to exotic wood veneers and personalized embroidery. Every surface is meticulously crafted by skilled artisans. The rear seats are the true highlight. The individual lounge seating configuration pampers passengers with electrically adjustable seats, a center console, and the option for a rear seat entertainment system. It's a mobile sanctuary. The Cullinan 2023 is not just about luxury, it's technologically advanced too. The infotainment system boasts a large, high-resolution touchscreen with all the latest features, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, navigation, and a premium sound system that turns the cabin into a concert hall. The Rolls-Royce of SUVs has a host of driver assistance technology, including night vision. Key safety features include standard forward collision warning and automated emergency braking, standard lane departure warning and lane keeping assist, standard adaptive cruise control. The Cullinan's V12 powertrain is rated at 12 miles per gallon in the city and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. Believe it or not, those figures aren't the worst in the class. The V12-powered Bentley Bentayga boasts ratings of 12 miles per gallon city and 17 highway. We ran the Cullinan on our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy route, which is part of our extensive testing regimen, and it outperformed expectations, achieving 21 miles per gallon. Every Cullinan has a large touchscreen infotainment system with a redundant controller on the center console. Apple CarPlay is also included on every model. The available rear seat entertainment option adds a 12.0-inch screen to the back of each front seat. Along with a Wi-Fi hotspot, the Cullinan has a bespoke audio system that features 18 speakers. Rolls-Royce doesn't make any changes to the Cullinan for the 2023 model year. In the make-believe scenario that we could afford a Cullinan, we'd choose the crystal paint scheme, the 22-inch 7-spoke wheels, the gold-plated Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament, and the electronic tow hitch. We'd spec the immersive seating with center console option, which gives the rear seats massage functionality and replaces the center seat with a console that doubles as a cooling bin with 2 champagne flutes and a whiskey decanter. And we wouldn't pass up the opportunity to have the fabric above our heads displayed a fiber optic starry night sky via the shooting star headliner. Finally, we'd add the rear privacy glass and side curtains to make the back row into a tranquil hideout. Now, let's talk about the price. The Rolls-Royce Cullinan 2023 is the pinnacle of luxury SUVs, and that comes at a price. The base model starts at around $327,750, but once you start adding custom options and features, it's not uncommon to see the final price tag reach well over $410,575. But remember, a Rolls-Royce is an investment in craftsmanship, luxury, and exclusivity. Rolls-Royce provides exemplary warranty and included maintenance programs that span 4 years with no mileage limit. Limited warranty covers 4 years and unlimited miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years and unlimited miles. Complimentary maintenance is covered for 4 years and unlimited miles. Thank you for joining us for this in-depth review of the Rolls-Royce Cullinan 2023. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on the world's most extraordinary vehicles. Until next time, drive safe and stay luxurious.